Looking to give your home a bold and modern first impression? CNC design main gates are the perfect blend of technology, durability, and artistic elegance. CNC, or computer numerical control, allows precise cutting of metal sheets to create stunning patterns that are impossible to achieve with traditional methods. From geometric designs to floral patterns and even customized motifs, CNC gates offer endless possibilities to match your home style. One of the biggest advantages of CNC main gates is their premium look. Whether you choose a matte black finish, metallic tones, or a combination of wood and metal textures, these gates instantly elevate the exterior of your house. They are especially popular in modern and luxury home designs. Durability is another key feature. CNC gates are usually made from high-quality materials like mild steel, aluminum, or stainless steel, making them strong, weather-resistant, and long-lasting. With proper coating and finishing, they can easily withstand harsh sunlight, rain, and dust without losing their charm. These gates are also highly customizable. You can control the level of privacy by adjusting the pattern density. Want a more open and airy feel? Go for wider cut designs. Prefer more privacy? Choose intricate and closely packed patterns. CNC gates are not just about looks, they are also practical. They can be integrated with sliding systems, swing mechanisms, or even automated motors for added convenience and security. In today's modern homes, the main gate is more than just an entry point, it's a statement piece. And CNC design gates help you create that statement with precision and style. If you're planning to upgrade your home exterior, a CNC design main gate could be the perfect investment that combines beauty, strength, and smart design in one stunning feature.